Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and what you see on your screen right now is just some clips I took when I was at the shop. As you saw the thumbnail title, recently got the high flow cat downpipe installed in the stage 3 tune. Now I named it stage 3.1 because there's another tune coming, and I'll explain that in the video. But I just want to show y'all a couple clips here of just some shots I grabbed around the shop. The Euro Empire, as you've seen my other videos, they recently moved into a new shop. Shop's coming together very nicely, and I just wanted to bring y'all this video so y'all can get an update on my car and where it's currently at and what's coming. All right, so y'all stay tuned. All right, everyone, so as you can see, I'm over here at the shop. They got some pretty cool cars out here at the shop. Got a Z over here. That's some. Got another 1 Series. There's actually an Audi over here. Not sure what that's here for, but you know, never know. It's an X6, big body 7 Series. They actually have this out here. Look at this thing. Twin turbo Z. Check out these intakes that are in there. That's pretty cool to see that at the shop. So I'm not sure if that's gonna be a project car for one of the people working here, but I'm gonna have to ask about that. A couple more BMWs here, a couple cars here and there. But yeah, man, let's go up in the shop, see how they're preparing for the Christmas season. As you see here, we're up in the shop. Got a Toys for Tots drive going on. Any of y'all want to donate, you're in the Charlotte area or Union County area, please come by and donate. Christmas tree there. Got some Euro Empire stickers. Buzz City Beamers, go support, get your gear. Yeah, man, shop's coming together. Got the Carbon Auto Works stuff right there. If you need any Carbon Auto Works accessories, gear, performance parts, they got it. So yeah, shop's looking good. Now let's go check on the status of my car.
Yeah, it's like $200 cheaper to get that kit than it is to get KWs, but people buy KWs. First, a little bit. Need some backlight.
Which I can fix that. Pull my phone out.
I had a flashlight. I don't know if I already got. You see?
Ah. Yeah, you can see the difference there, really.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Those things. It's like it's not a common failure item on most cars.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So now I'm gonna be installing the stage 3 software from Turner Motorsports. I'm gonna be doing that right now. Then I'm gonna be heading over to CS Motorsports to get this bad boy on a dyno and see what those gains are. All right. So all right, everyone. So I just installed the stage 3 tune. Got the downpipe installed as well. So now I'm gonna go take it on a little test drive. I'm gonna start it out in the regular drive mode, and we'll see what goes from there. Then after I do this little test drive, I'm gonna put it on the dyno. All right, so right now everything's smooth, as I can say so myself. Everything's running smooth. I can feel a little extra power, just a little bit. You know, I ain't trying to go too crazy. I'm gonna punch it about halfway. Oh, okay, all right. Yeah, I could feel a little increase. This is just in regular drive mode, not in sport. So I'm gonna wait till I get to the end of the street. Then I'm gonna put it in sport mode so we can kind of see. But I can already feel the extra torque, a little bit of torque difference. And when we get on a dyno, we'll really be see if my butt dyno is correct. Go ahead, throw it in sport. Go ahead, put it in sport. Got it in manual so I can shift it myself. let's see what we can get. This car ever move out my way. I hope y'all can hear that. Oh yeah, it gets up. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel a little difference. Burbles a lot more too. A lot more whooshing sounds, a lot more turbo sounds going on. Downpipe definitely adds a lot more volume inside the cabin. Oh yeah. Definitely. A lot more volume in the car. And it's not an irritating volume. It's not like drone or anything. It's definitely turbo noises. A lot more turbo noises. The burbles are even louder. And then maybe that's part of the tune from the Stage 3 from Turner. But even the burbles are even louder than they were before. So, and it's not like it's still not an annoying burble. You know, I know there's some guys that turn the burbles all the way up, like on the boot mod tunes and stuff like that. So it's not nothing like that. I would say it's probably just right. Man, this thing is pulling. I would say, man, yeah, this thing is pulling. And definitely gonna have to do that transmission tune. I was talking. Oh, as y'all just saw there, I just pulled right in front of me. Freaking ridiculous. Man, all right, he just pulled right in front of me. Good thing I got good brakes. But what I will say is, what was I talking about? Okay, yeah, transmission tune, XHP transmission tune. Definitely got to do that. I was talking with No Clutch Garage. If y'all don't follow him, definitely go follow No Clutch Garage. He has a fast 340 XI. I was talking with him because he just recently did the transmission flash, and he loves it. He says it's like a night and day difference. I know Keys, Brian and Keys Motorsports had done it on his 335, so definitely want to give it a shot, the transmission tune, and see how much different of a change that makes as well as far as shifting. So right now I'm on the way driving back to CES, about to put this thing on the dyno so we can see if the butt dyno ain't lying, because the butt dyno says I definitely gain a significant amount of power, but we'll see what the dyno says. All right, so heading there right now. We're gonna bring you that content. All right, stay tuned. All right, man, so getting ready to put it, it's already on the dyno, as y'all can see right there. Getting ready to put it down, man. Let's see what numbers we got. Yeah, it picked up. It picked up a lot.
Yeah. That way.
All right, everyone, so we just did the first 2 runs. We got one more run remaining. So the best I got right now, peak power, is 372 horse, 415 torque. I did gain about 30 horse and 30 wheel torque at around about 5,000 RPM. So that's a good pickup, because it's not necessarily always about the peak number, but also the area under the curve. And this area under the curve is gains all the way from start to finish. So we're gonna letting it cool down right now because it's pretty hot. It's actually a warm day here in December. I don't know what's going on with the weather down here, but we're letting the car cool down right now. They're gonna give it another run, see if we can break 380. All right, so I'll get back with y'all once I get that figured out. All right, yep. So So I'm gonna talk to y'all about the outcome of the dyno. And while I do that, y'all can look at M2's Ghost's M2, which I took this picture. Beautiful picture, I think. And y'all go follow M2 Ghost. Cool dude. Very, very sick car. Very sick build. But, so, as y'all saw in the video, had a max horsepower of 372, around about 412, 415 torque. So I went back to Turner Motorsports, let them know about the numbers. They thought they should be a lot higher. I did some logs for them, sent that to them. And one thing, you know, this is a dummy move by my fault. I got to make sure I gap my plugs. So I ordered some new plugs and some new coil packs. We'll be doing a video on that, so y'all know exactly which ones to order. That's going to be coming soon. But so I ordered that, and I went ahead and got a diverter valve just in case. So I'm getting all that put on, getting a new file sent over, and we're going to dyno it again. So they, based on the log and stuff like that, they didn't think it can get a little more power out of it. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that and get that going. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm going to be doing that real soon, getting that video up so y'all can see what my finals numbers are. Probably going to post first on Instagram, then do the video. So if you're not following me, you can follow the build, follow my pictures, my photography, everything on Instagram at what's your forte _ what's your forte. Yeah, man. So you get it there first, then they'll hit the video on the YouTube. All right. So I appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate y'all taking the time out today to watch my video. Please like, subscribe, you know, comment down below. Even if you don't like it, hit a thumbs up, thumbs down, you know, whatever, man. Any kind of interaction, you know, I'm with it. So thank you all for taking your time, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.